All right, so the easiest way to separate a ball joint if you don't have all those fancy tools that the other videos tell you you need is to do this. Either get your buddy or your wife or something, or ideally your jack, to lift up your whole control arm and hub and everything assembly so that there's no weight on the lower control arm. All you're gonna do is grab a hammer and simply smack this, so the place where the ball, like the tapered part of the ball joint is in. Smack it as hard as you can and it'll drop. Make sure there's nothing underneath this so that this can just go. I'll show you what I mean here in a sec. So you'll see how hard I hit it. I hit it pretty hard. And you just smack it. Just like that. I goofed around for about 2 hours on the other side until I learned this. Pretty easy.